1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
You won't believe what happened to me at lunch yesterday. I went to that new restaurant on Main Street and things went wrong right from the start.
Really? I was thinking about trying that place. What happened?
I ordered a steak, but when it finally arrived, it was cold. Not even warm, just cold.
Oh, that's so disappointing. Did you say anything to the waiter?
Yes, I did. I tried to be polite, so I said, "Excuse me, my steak is cold. Could you please heat it up or bring a new one?"
That's a good way to say it. Sometimes I feel nervous about complaining in restaurants, but saying it nicely helps.
I know what you mean. I didn't want to be rude, but I was really looking forward to that steak.
Did the waiter apologize? How did they react?
They were actually very nice. The waiter said, "I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix it for you right away."
It's good the staff tried to help. Sometimes when restaurants make a mistake, how they handle it really matters.
Exactly. They took the steak back to the kitchen and brought me a fresh one. The manager even came over to check if everything was okay.
That's great service. Did they offer you anything else, like a free drink or dessert?
They did. The manager said, "Dessert is on the house for you today. I got a chocolate cake for free."
You know, it's helpful to know what to say if you have a problem with your food. What phrases did you use?
Well, I started with, "Excuse me, I'm sorry, but my food is cold." Then I asked, "Could you please bring a hot one?"
I like those. They sound friendly and not angry. I usually say, "I'm sorry to bother you, but when I need help."
Yeah, being polite helps a lot. The staff is usually happy to fix the problem if you're nice.
I always feel a little awkward when my order isn't right. Do you ever worry the staff will get annoyed?
Sometimes, but most people working in restaurants want you to enjoy your meal. Last night, they really wanted to help me.
That makes sense. Next time, I'll try to speak up too if something's wrong. No need to just eat cold food.
Exactly. And remember, a smile and a thank you go a long way.
So, from your story, I learned 3 things. First, it's okay to speak up if your food isn't right. Second, being polite really helps. And third, good restaurants will fix mistakes.
That's right. And here's something everyone can try. Next time you go out, remember a simple phrase like, "Excuse me, could you help me?" If you need something, just ask.
Thanks for sharing your experience. I think I'll still try that restaurant, but if anything goes wrong, I know what to say now.
You should. And maybe you'll get free dessert like I did. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time.